Today I have for you just a short video of one small thing we managed to do at the cabin last autumn. Up on a hill we have the old log cabin, the heart of the retreat. Next to it, new guest house is taking shape. But down the hill, these two unfinished cabins have been waiting for years to be completed. One is a sauna house, the other the largest building on the retreat. Now I'm working on them both, finally bringing them to life. Soon they will make the retreat even better. With the help of friends during the open weeks, we are getting things done. Step by step, together. This trip, one of the biggest tasks was moving the 200 kg fireplace into the larger cabin. Somehow I was thinking we just carry the fireplace in, but oh boy, I was wrong. Luckily I had friends here to help. This is not a job for one person. With teamwork we built a platform to slide the fireplace from the van, across the ground, up the stairs and into its place. Once installed, it will bring warmth and comfort to the future guests.
Side by side, we lift the weight. One more step, it's worth the wait. Hands in the dust, hearts in the sky. Under northern stars we rise. Built to last, built to grow. Through the winds, through the snow. Fires will burn, stories will stay. In this home we found our way. The road is long, but here we stand where we belong. Year by year the circle grows, a cabin warm where friendship glows. Built to last, built to grow. Through the winds, through the snow. Fires will burn, stories will stay. In this home we found our way. Built to last, built to grow. Through the winds, through the snow. Fires will burn, stories will stay. In this home we found our way. The wind hums low, the river sings. Through endless woods, the north still calls. With every stone, the story's told. We stand as one, we build, we hold. Built to last, built to grow. Through the winds, through the snow. Friends return, year after year. No matter where, you're welcome here.
Along with the fireplace, we received all the materials for the two cabins and carried them inside, protecting everything from the coming winter. I also worked on the balcony flooring and ceiling insulation, adding metal grid to the ceiling structure to keep animals out. While doing this, I encountered some nasty surprises in the old insulation from years ago. That will make for one shocking video in the near future. Once the ceiling insulation and paneling are done and the chimney is built, this space will be ready for cozy Arctic nights. A huge thanks to my friends who helped. I couldn't have done this alone. And if you are one of my friends and want to experience this retreat for yourself, join us in 2025 for our spring and autumn open weeks. Come relax, enjoy nature and maybe even help bring the retreat one step closer to completion. See you there.
Friends return year after year. No matter where, you're welcome here.